All right, we are doing question number 2 of your 10-2, 10-3 quiz review. This one says find the perimeter and height and calculate the lateral area of the figure. Round to the nearest tenth if necessary. So we're going to round to 1 decimal place. So I'm just going to go through problem by problem and see what they would like me to do. The first one says find, I wanted to highlight that. Let's try that again. Find the perimeter of the base. Now, because it's a rectangular prism or a square prism really, it's up to you to decide what your base is going to be. For me, I'm going to use this side here. And this one here, these two are going to be my bases. If you choose a different pair of sides, this first part here will be different. This part will be different, but the surface area should be the same at the very end. Now, we went ahead and put in all the possible answers, so as long as you pick one of the sides, you should be good to go. For that perimeter of that shape, we're looking at the perimeter here. Again, we're going to add up the sides. So we're going to do P equals 9 plus 9. Because it's a rectangular one, the sides across from each other are the same. And then we have 11 plus 11. So if I do 9 plus 9 plus 11 plus 11, I get 40 for that first one. Again, I would write my number, type it in there, and it should pop up here as well. The next thing we need is the height of our prism. So for the height, you're looking for like the length that connects the two bases. So this length here, which is 9 inches. Again, you don't have to do any math there, just identify the height. So this one's going to be 9, and a 9 should pop up there. And then the last part we're going to do right now is your lateral area. Remember, lateral area equals your perimeter times your height. So those two numbers we just found. So we're going to do 40 times 9. Oof, if my pen works. When I multiply 40 times 9, I get 360 as my final answer. So again, we put 360 here, 360 here. Now, once we've found our lateral area, we have to start to find our surface area. But before I even do that, I need to find the area of our base. So we want to know how much space is inside this base up here. Since my base is a square or rectangle, we're going to do base times height for the formula, little b times little h. And again, we're using these two numbers here, so 9 and 11. So we're going to do 9 times 11, which equals 99. And that should be the area of your base. So that would be your answer for part 4, 99, 99. And then we have one final part left. Let's see if we can change the color here. We'll do it in this like gray color. We're looking for the surface area. Sorry, I was trying to highlight and I didn't highlight. We're looking for the surface area of our total shape. So remember, your formula for surface area is SA for surface area equals your lateral area plus 2 times the area of your base. So really, we're just using all that information we already found and plugging it into that equation. Remember, your lateral area was the one in red, so we have 360 plus 2, and then B was the one in green, so 2 times 99. Again, I'll start by doing 2 times 99, and I get 360 plus 198. I just need to add those together for my final answer, and I get 558. Again, that'll go in blank 558, and it should pop up right here too, 558. Oh, I should write the correct number the second time, 58. All right, and that is your final answer. Again, tomorrow you will see a problem where it says find the perimeter, the height, the lateral area, the area of the base, and the surface area of a rectangular prism. Thank you for watching.